guys, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be a little review / test of a new device I just got. And that new device being it's basically like a heat detector bell. It is a Vanguard protection system, V-2, I think, I don't know. So, a pretty cool looking thing. First of all, it's a 136 degree heat detector bell. It's for local areas only. There's the model. Yeah, UL listed. So, here's the little wind up for it. So I'm gonna basically just kind of sound it off. I mean, this is basically it. There's not too much to the device, but it's pretty cool still. Alright, let's do this thing. Probably just gonna let it go. So I guess the cycle is very long, so I'm not going to leave it for too long. And now I had to wind it back up, so that's going to be fun. This is the best part about this bell, right? Winding it all the way back up. So yeah, it's a really cool bell. Definitely like it. It's like 20 bucks. And then I'll have probably another new video coming soon showing off an emergency light I got, and I'll be getting more from the store I got the emergency light from, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'll probably keep the video going until it's done and wind it up, which might take a while, but hey, it happens. So I saw a thing that these bells are from, they were used in houses in Canada in the 60s. Or in 1959. Oh, there we go. 1959. So, that's pretty cool. Anyway, so we're all winded back up. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.